Any glass jars can be upcycled into beautiful holiday decor or gifts for loved ones with a bit of paint and a pretty napkin. Let's start by making sure we have a clean glass jar. We like to use some hot water to remove those labels, and then once they're dry, give it a coat of white chalky paint. Chalky paint has really good adhesion to glass, and you can even get a chalky paint that's specific for glass if you have trouble with it sticking to it, but we typically don't, and usually 1 or 2 coats is plenty to cover the glass. While we set that aside to dry, we're going to use this really lovely napkin with a cardinal on there and put that cardinal right onto the glass jar with a little bit of Mod Podge. So you can either cut out the cardinal, or I like this technique of using a wet paintbrush or water pen to trace around the design and then rip the tissue, which creates a really subtle frayed edge. Next, you'll want to position your bird onto the side of the jar, and then while lifting up one side of your design, brush on a little bit of Mod Podge. A nice thin layer works best. And then press your napkin right into there and repeat with the other side. Then you'll just want to gently go over that with a little bit more Mod Podge to seal it and hold it in place, and let that dry completely. Now, I sprayed the lids of these jars with some glossy red spray paint to give it a really festive look, and then drilled a hole through there and screwed in a really pretty crystal knob. These are just cabinet knobs. I think I ordered them off of Amazon, and it just adds a really luxe touch to the top of the jar. Next, I wrapped a little bit of baker's twine around the neck and then added on a simple metal charm. I did a second version of the jar with a wood knob instead of the crystal knob, and a little bit of rustic twine for a slightly different look. And there you go. With a few budget-friendly supplies, you can make beautiful decor for the holidays or gifts to give family and loved ones. Like and follow for more.